Hey there, I am Shuparna and you are watching Learn and Bloom. Let me tell you, I am conducting a series that is on phrases and clauses. In part 2 of this series, I have made an elaborate discussion on clauses. If you have not gone through the video yet, you can go to the description box below and you can check the link there. Today's class will be on noun clauses. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. As we have learned in our previous classes that clauses contain a subject and a verb. It can form a complete sentence or it can be a part of a sentence. We divide clauses into two types, independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause can convey a complete thought. It can form a complete sentence. But dependent clause cannot form a complete sentence. It always needs an independent clause to make the sentence complete. So, we always need at least one independent clause to make a complete sentence. Now, this dependent clause is divided into three more types: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Today we will only deal with noun clause. Noun clause plays the role of a noun in a sentence. Now, what are nouns and what roles they play? We know that nouns are the words that are used for any name of the person, places, or things, right? And nouns can be used as a subject or object or complement of the sentence. See this example. The movie is perfect. Here, movie is a noun, right? And it is used as the subject of the sentence. Now, the second one, Ramesh has seen the movie. Here, movie is not used as a subject, but it is used as the object of the verb. Right? And the third one, my brother is a pilot. Here, brother is also the noun and pilot is also a noun. Here, pilot is used as not the subject or an object, but it is used as the complement of the subject, my brother, because it is telling something about brother. So, it is the complement of the subject. Now we will see how noun clauses work. See this example. I like what I see. Here, I like is the independent clause and what I see is the dependent clause. What I see is used as a noun clause because it is the object of this sentence. Another example, whatever you wish is fine with me. So, whatever you wish is the dependent clause, is fine with me is the independent clause. Whatever you wish is functioning as a noun clause in this sentence. Now, how to check if your dependent clause is a noun clause or anything else? We have few tricks so that we can identify it within a second. See trick number 1. If you can replace your clause that will be dependent of course with a pronoun, then it is a noun clause. See this example. I know why it happened. Here I know is the main clause or independent clause and why it happened is the dependent clause, and we can replace it with the pronoun him. I know him. See it works. Now the second one, whatever he thinks is true. Here whatever he thinks is the dependent clause and we can replace it with a pronoun. You can replace it with any pronoun like he, she. So he is true. So it also works. Now trick number 2. You just replace the dependent clause with any noun. See this sentence. Tom can invite whomever he chooses. Tom can invite here is the independent clause and whomever he chooses is the dependent clause. So we will replace whomever he chooses with any noun. So we can write Tom can invite Angela because Angela is the noun, right? Now the next example, I don't understand what you are talking about. Here, I don't understand is the independent clause and what you are talking about is the dependent clause. So we will replace what you are talking about with mathematics. So I can write, I don't understand mathematics. So both of these work. Trick number 3. Another way to spot a noun clause is to look for these words. What, whatever, whenever, whomever. These are the words that we will find at the beginning of the dependent clause. You can take a screenshot of this list. Now see the example. I like what I see. In this sentence, we can find what in the beginning of the dependent clause, and the next one, whatever you want is fine with me. So here also we can find the word whatever. So that's all for today. I hope next time you will have no difficulties to find a noun clause in a sentence. In my next class, I will discuss on adjective clause and adverb clause. So stay tuned with me, and also subscribe my channel, and please hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.